Welcome to the Complete Microsoft SharePoint Bootcamp. In this lecture, we will tackle why learn SharePoint in the first place. This is because SharePoint has been used by over 80% of Fortune 500 companies. And according to Microsoft, there are 200,000 organizations and over 190 million people are using SharePoint. So there are more job possibilities if you have the right SharePoint skill. Second, SharePoint is a part of Office 365 family now. What is Office 365? Office 365 is a set of tools such as Outlook for email, OneDrive for storing your data online, Office Suite, OneNote, SharePoint of course, Microsoft Teams, Yammer, and other applications. Second, Office 365 is always up to date. With an Office 365 subscription, you get the latest Office apps, both the desktop and the online versions. And updates are rolled over to you whenever you are connected. Office 365 is also on all your devices such as desktop, tablet, and on your phone. And it's a cloud-based application, so you can work from anywhere, whether in office or home or remotely. So in summary, SharePoint is a niche market. There is a high demand for SharePoint power users, site administrators, SharePoint developers, and consultants. So now we'll tackle why to what. What is SharePoint? In one word, SharePoint is a website. With SharePoint, you can share and manage content, knowledge, and applications with your team, such as documents, photos and videos, and news. With SharePoint, you can also find information and seamlessly collaborate across the organizations. You can find files, sites, and people. And with built-in intelligence, SharePoint delivers the most relevant results with their search engine. When you subscribe to SharePoint 2019 online, each user gets at least 1 terabyte of file storage. So with SharePoint and its external sharing functionality, you can securely share files and content inside and outside of organization. You can organize and manage content in libraries and lists with metadata, records management, and retention policies. So as earlier indicated, SharePoint is a website. But SharePoint can provide different types of website. For example, team sites. Team sites provides a place for your team to organize and collaborate on content, data, and news to stay on the same page. SharePoint can also provide communication sites that can distribute your group's message across the organization with beautiful dynamic communication sites. With SharePoint, you can also create intranets, so you can share news and engage people in your company. SharePoint is also available as a mobile app, so you can access intranets, team sites, and content with the SharePoint app for Android, iOS, and Windows platforms. So with this brief introduction, let's go over the SharePoint history. SharePoint is available since about 2000, but the meaningful versions were 2007, 2010, 2013, and the latest versions have 2 flavors: SharePoint On-Premises 2016 or SharePoint Online 2019. Just a brief course objectives. We'll provide the brief introduction to SharePoint 2019, and then we'll log into the SharePoint. We'll work with the SharePoint sites, create our first team sites. We'll also look at the navigation, view all site contents, search. We'll also look at edit, save, and share documents in SharePoint. Open and edit a document, share a file, check in, check out functionality, and more. We'll also create reviews. We'll create list in SharePoint, and we'll go over how to use a list app. We'll also create a custom list and export list to Excel. We'll also create site collections, apply logo and theme, create a project site, and also save as a template. And we'll also look at modify SharePoint pages such as web parts, add, remove, and modify. We'll also create a wiki page and also create a web part page. Then we will also look at SharePoint 2019 and Office 365 integration applications such as Outlook and SharePoint, Word, Excel, PowerPoint with SharePoint, how to do co-authoring in SharePoint. We'll also look at InfoPath, Access, Visio, and SharePoint Online. So apart from the brief introductory videos, our coaching style will be different. As indicated earlier, there will be less lectures and more